Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
And especially in this section, which is slow motion tango that you really like.
We are going to use a beautiful move that you will enjoy when you dance waltz and also slow tango.
It's part of a tiny cadena. It's just one part of a cadena, or also called as pasada.
But before going to the video, remember to subscribe with notifications, like if you enjoy it, and share with your friends. That really helps a lot.
Now let's get to work.
Guys, we have something to tell you.
We would like to invite you to check out our website, miriamleonardotango.com, where you can be a member and access over 200 videos that we have so far.
Online tango training is a beautiful opportunity to learn in the privacy of your house and shine on the dance floor.
Now, let's get to the second part of this video. Great work, guys. If you are still here, thank you very much for your support. You rock.
Remember to subscribe, like, share with friends, and see you on the next class.
Bye.